Do you love plants, gardens, flowers, and nature? Did you know that you can build a stable and respected career working with plants, not just as a farmer, but as a scientist, designer, or an entrepreneur? Today, let's explore careers in horticulture. Hello, everyone. This is Priyanka B from the YouTube channel Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. And in today's video, we are going to understand a beautiful and meaningful career field, horticulture. Many students think agriculture and horticulture are the same, but they are different in each other. Let me explain it. What is horticulture? It is the branch of agriculture that focuses on fruits, vegetables, flowers, medicinal plants, ornamental plants, landscaping. Also, it combines science, nature, business, sustainability. It is both a practical and a research oriented field. So, let's understand the main career options one by one. First one, horticulture officer. They work in government agriculture departments, also guide farmers too. They also promote modern cultivation techniques and manage horticulture schemes to the farmers. Also, it provides government job opportunities, stable income, field based work. You can usually enter through BSc Horticulture for 4 years, also through government exams. Second one, floriculturist, which means flower specialist. This field focuses on growing flowers commercially, managing nurseries, exporting flowers. India has strong demand for roses, jasmine, orchids, decorative plants. Business plus farming combination also has export opportunities. Third one, landscape designer. This is a creative career. Landscape designers design gardens, plan the parks, works on resorts, villas, corporate spaces, combine plans plus design plus aesthetics. This field requires plant knowledge, design sense, planning skills. It is ideal for students who love both creativity and nature. Fourth one, nursery manager or entrepreneur. You can start a plant nursery, organic vegetable production, indoor plant businesses, terrace garden consultancy. With the rise of urban gardening, organic lifestyle, home decor plants, this field has strong business potential. Fifth one, horticulture scientist or researcher. If you love research, you can work in agricultural universities, research labs, seed development centers. You can also research disease resistant plants, hybrid varieties, improved crop field. This requires MSc or PhD in horticulture. Sixth one, post harvest and food processing specialist. This role focuses on storage, packaging, processing fruits and vegetables, reducing wastage. This field connects horticulture with food technology, supply chain, export industry. So, what are all the educational paths available in horticulture? You can enter horticulture. Students can also choose BSc Horticulture, which is for 4 years, Diploma in Horticulture, MSc in Horticulture, or through agricultural universities. So, the subjects include here is plant breeding, soil science, pest management, irrigation system, greenhouse technology. So, here income depends on career path. Government horticulture officer, stable salary. Landscape designer, project based income. If you are a nursery business partner, it will be a profit based income. If you are in a research field, it will be as a academic salary. Entrepreneurs can earn significantly if business grows well. Horticulture has Strong future demand because urban gardening is increasing, organic food demand is rising, landscaping industry is expanding, climate resilient farming is needed. This is a sustainable and environmentally important career. So choose this field if you love plants and nature, if you enjoy outdoor work, if you are patient enough, if you are interested in sustainability, if you want a science based but a practical career. Horticulture is not just about growing plants, it is about nurturing life, sustainability, and future food security. If you want a career that connects science, environment, and business, horticulture is a strong option for you. If you feel confused about choosing horticulture or other hidden career options, you can find my career guidance form link in the description. Also, subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B for more practical and future ready career guidance. Let's move forward with clarity today and confidence tomorrow. Thank you all for watching this video.